Chapter 9. Super Senses. Ponder a while. Why do dogs keep sniffing around? How do honeybees locate scented flowers? Why do snakes and lizards keep flickering their tongues? How do cats run and jump around in the darkness without bumping into objects? Different animals use different sense organs. In some animals, one of these sense organs is more developed and sharper as compared to the others. These sense organs help animals to find their food, communicate with one another, and protect them from their enemies. Sense of smell. Many animals have much stronger sense of smell than human beings. Now, let us see some amazing examples of sensing smell in the world of animals. Mammals such as dog has nostrils which provide it a sharp sense of smell. Thus, they can easily find out the way to reach a known person. Similarly, a shark moves towards its prey by detecting the smell through its nostrils. Insects like mosquito etc. have antennae to detect the smell. A mosquito can easily find out humans as it has ability to smell human odor. In the similar way, a honeybee locates scented flowers by using its sense of smell. Reptiles such as snake, lizard etc. and amphibians such as frog etc. have sense organ for smelling located at the roof of their mouth. It is known as Jacobson's organ. That is why they are often seen flickering their tongues. Sense of touch. Animals use sense of touch to interpret in their world. Cats, mice, cockroaches etc. all use sense of touch to feel the changes around them. Some animals like cat and tiger use their whiskers and stiffer hair along their body that help them to feel the surroundings in the dark and sense a change in air currents. Fishes have lateral lines as a sensory organ that is present at the sides of the head and body to sense changes in water pressure. Cockroaches and many other insects have hair on their bodies and a pair of antennae on their heads to feel their surroundings. Sense of vision. The sense of vision or sight is also superior in many animals. Many birds of prey such as an eagle have a very sharp vision so that they can easily find out their prey moving on the ground from the sky. Animals belonging to cat families such as cat, leopard, tiger etc. have excellent night vision. They are well adapted for hunting during night. A tiger can see 6 times better at night than most of the humans. An owl also has excellent night vision. Many insects have a pair of compound eyes that help them to get a complete image of things around them. These compound eyes are made up of a number of lenses. Sense of hearing. Many animals use sound in order to communicate with each other, and hearing in these species is particularly important for their survival. Sharp sense of hearing is really helpful for hunting animals such as fox to find out their prey easily. Deer and other grazing animals also have a sharp sense of hearing that warns them of approaching predators. A dog detects sound by moving its ears. A hare can listen to the sound coming from far very easily due to its long ears. Crocodiles can hear their young ones inside their shells with their excellent sense of hearing. Owls can hear sounds 10 times better than humans can. Fact trivia. Fishes have internal ears to detect sound through the medium of water. A snake hears sound through its belly. A shark uses Earth's magnetic field to find out the way in water. A bat has such a strong sense of hearing that it can easily locate the direction and distance of its food through its reflected sound. Sense of taste. The sense of taste allows animals to detect and identify dissolved chemicals. Reptiles, mammals and birds have taste receptors present on the upper surface of their tongue. These receptors consist of pits containing sensory cells arranged like the segments of an orange. Taste receptor of butterfly and bee are present on their feet. The entire body of an earthworm is covered with taste receptors. Fact trivia. A dolphin cannot smell its food but it can taste it. A cat refuses to eat food if it cannot smell. How do animals communicate? Like human beings, Animals can also communicate with each other. Different animals have different ways of communicating. Communication through sounds. Some animals create a unique sound to communicate with others, such as a dog barks, a wolf howls, a bird chirps, and a frog croaks. Communication by releasing chemicals. Some insects like ants, termites, etc. release special chemicals called pheromones to communicate. They have glands located on the different segments of their body. From these glands, they can release pheromone. The type of message they wish to convey, like danger, food, etc., determines which gland they will use to release the pheromone. They also use pheromones to leave a trail which leads others in the colony. Communication through symbols. Honeybee performs waggle dance to tell other bees about the food, while an ape communicates by beating its chest. Female glowworms make a series of flashes to communicate with the males. A dog wags its tail when it is happy and hides its tail when it is scared. How do animals sleep? Different animals have different ways and different time duration for taking rest and for sleeping. Big animals sleep lesser than small animals, as small animals spend more energy and hence require more sleep. Time duration of sleeping. An adult tiger sleeps for at least 16 hours in a day. Grazing animals sleep for only 2 to 4 hours in a day. A brown bat sleeps for at least 20 hours in a day, while a dolphin sleeps for 10 hours and a giraffe needs just 1 hour of a sleep in a day. Different ways of sleeping. Dolphins sleep with one eye open and with half of their brain sleeping. Migratory birds sleep with their eyes closed. Sometimes they also sleep while flying. Some mammals, such as cattle and horse, sleep while standing. A bat sleeps while hanging on the branches. Let's do it. Visit any nearby farmhouse and observe the sleeping ways of different animals. Vocabulary cards. Jacobson's organ, the sense organ for smelling in reptiles. Pheromones, special chemicals released by insects for communication. Antenna, the long thin parts on the heads of insects used to detect the smell. Compound eyes, the eyes that help insects to get a complete image of the thing.